I'm going to show you how to do Google Draw. To go to Google Draw, you need to open your Google Drive. Once you've opened the drive, you go to New, you go to More, and you will see Google Drawings, and you can click on Google Drawings. This will open a document for you that's untitled. It will save changes as you make the changes though. So I can click on Untitled Drawing, and I can type a different title, and that will be saved automatically. I may want to insert an image in my Google Drawing, so I go to Image. It'll ask me choose an image to upload, and I can just select the image and it will put it on the page for me. I may not like where it placed it, so I can move it with this tool. And then I can add shapes. Let's say I want to add a call out so that I can type something in. I can do that. And I can change these lines. I can make the color different. I can increase the width of the line, or I may want to do a dashed line, and it'll do that too. I can add other shapes. Let's say I add a heart shape. I put it on top of this shape. And then I decide I want to move it back. So I can go to Arrange, Order, and I can go to Send Backwards, and it'll move it back for me. I can even add a text box to this call out that I put in here, and I can type something in there that I think the cat might say. You can also add lines. There's different types of lines. So you can add lines to your picture. Whoops. If this is a document that a student is doing for you and you want to add comments, you can add comments here, or you can add comments from the comment box. And you might want to say change the color. And the student will see that, and if the student wants to go and resolve it, they can resolve it, and then it would be hidden, or they can use the 3 buttons to edit, delete, or link to this comment. If you click resolve and you've resolved it, when you click on the comments, it will come back, so it's sort of archived for you. If you go to the tools, you can go to Explore, and Explore again opens up for you. You can search. So if I want to search cats, I can search them, get information. If I want to get images of them, I can get images of them, and this little add button comes up, and it will add the image to my page. If I don't like where it is, I can remove it, put it somewhere else. It's also added the link, and I can remove the link if I don't want to. If I want to remove the image, I click on it, just press delete, and the image is removed. Another feature of Google Drawings is that you can create mind maps or graphic organizers for students. I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to create another Google Draw. Again, the page opens up. I can rename the page if I want to. I'm going to call it Mind Map. And what I can do here is I can use text boxes. So I might put a box in the middle. You don't have to outline the box, but I'm just going to outline it because it makes it easier for the student to see the box. And I might decide to put in the word. You can type in the box cats. So now I can increase the size of the font. And now I can create another text box, because maybe I'm thinking about cats and I think, there's different types of cats. And this one, I might want to say long-haired cats. I can create another text box. And I might call this one short-haired cats. And then I can link the boxes if I want to. And the way to link the boxes is to click on this select line, click the arrow. Once I click the arrow, you can see that there's purple dots that come up on the box. And what I can do is click this purple dot to the purple dot on this box. And then I can do the same on this side. Oops. Click on arrow and line up the purple dots again. And this is good because if I want to now, I can actually move these around and they stay attached to the original. You can keep adding boxes, and it's a good way for kids to brainstorm, to come up with ideas. If you wanted to add a link, you could click on the link feature here, and a box comes up where you can add a link and apply that also.